Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about physics and the topic name is force and motion. Have you ever heard this word? Okay. Motion means the objects move from one place to another place. That is said to be in motion. And what is the meaning force? Yes, it is nothing. A force is a push or pull action. That means, you know that what is the meaning push? That particular object, if you push the objects means that particular objects, it is move away from us. If you pull the objects means that particular object, it is come closer or near to us. That is the meaning push or pull. So when you giving the force, that object it is moving and it has different effects on different objects. Okay, so now we are going to see about some effects of force. Okay, now look at the picture. Water splashed. Okay, when stone was dropped, the water splashed outside. The stone exerted a force on the water, due to which it splashed. When the bigger stone was dropped, more water splashed. So the bigger stone exerts more force. So more water splashed. So which means a force is a push or pull. It has different effects on different objects. Now I show you some example of push and pull action. You know that a force is a push or pull action. When an object is pushed or pulled, a force is being applied to it. When force acts on an object, it may cause the object to change its shape, to move, to stop, to move faster or slower, or change its direction. Okay, so I gave some example. No, these are that showing you push and pull actions. Okay, so a force has one or more of the following effects on objects. It can cause an object to move, and it can stop a moving object, and it can change the speed of a moving object, and it can change the direction of a moving object. Okay, so and it can change the shape of an object also. So here I show you these example of showing that some effects of force. Okay, so these are that example of push and pull actions. Okay, when we giving the force, that particular objects it change their position. Okay, so these are called effects of force. Now we are going to see about what are the effects of force in that particular object. So we observe different effects of force in each case. When we lifted the book from the floor and kept it on the table, its position changed, right? When we squeezed a lemon and it stretched the spring, the shape changed. When we kicked a moving ball, its direction and the speed of motion changed. And we kept a book in front of a moving ball, the ball stopped. So these are that happens. It is all effects of force. Okay, so I look at the picture. I give you some example of that string expanding and contract. These are that example for effects of force. So forces stop or start an object moving or change its direction. They can also change an object's shape. Okay, now I ask you one question. Is it possible for the application of a force to show no effect on objects? Can you notice that? Okay, so sometimes when we try to move a very heavy box, the box does not move no matter how hard we try. Sometimes it appears that the force we are applying has no effect on the box because the box is too heavy. Okay. So today what did we learn about the effects of force? Okay. So saying that particular objects change their position and when you stop the force, it's do not move, and it is changing the direction and the speed of an object. Okay.